Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to fix your data drives like USB, micro SD memory card, camera memory cards, or the external hard drive. As you know, most of the time with the faulty data drives, we just get sick and tired and end up throwing them away in a rubbish bin. But from now onwards guys, before you throw them away, just go through this method and in the end you would be able to reuse your data drives again and again. You can fix data drive, but guys, I will take USB as an example as I have got one faulty one. Now I will show you how to fix it. As I have seen many times when we try to transfer the data from one device to another, then might be one of them is usually have a virus in them, so in that case our USB gets the virus as well and get faulty or unusable. Sometimes it does not open and ask you to format it before you open it, so you just simply format it and that's done, your USB is working again. But in many cases when you try to open your USB drive, it just keeps going and going and never opens up, even sometime as hanging our laptop as well. So, guys, let's start. First of all, plug in your faulty USB into the USB port. Go to your My Computer and see our USB drive has been detected. Just try to open it, but it never opens, and a little circle just keep going around in circles and we end up have an error saying that the file or directory is corrupted and unavailable. So, friends, let's start the actual procedure now. Just open your command prompt. You can open with two ways. Press on the Windows sign in the bottom right of the computer screen and type CMDOR command in the search bar. So right click on that and press on Run as Administrator OR on your keyboard. Press Window key plus R and click on OK. That opens Run. Now you are in command prompt. We are just going to fix your corrupted USB just in 4 commands. I will also write the command at the bottom of the topic. Just type in disk part to enter into the disk partition. Now type list disk to check the no of disks we have in our computer. As I have 2 disks in my computer, hard drive and the USB, so we need to select the device that we want to fix, which in our case is disk 1. So type in select disk 1 to select the required disk. Now we need to clean up the disk, so type in clean. It will successfully clean up the disk. Now we have to create the partition, so type in create partition primary. Now we have to format the disk in command prompt, so type in format fs equals FAT32. Now it will take few minutes depending upon the size of your disk, so have patience and wait. Once it's get completed to 100%, the autoplay prompt will appear on your screen. It means your USB is ready to use. Just write exit to exit the command prompt. Perform exit step 2 times. First on to come out of disk part and the second one to exit the command prompt. Thanks for watching the video.